Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Vivo V23 Pro 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name. So let's open the box. First, you can see Vivo V23 Pro 5G comes with a notch display. The phone has a 108 megapixel triple camera setup at the back with Vivo branding at the bottom left. The phone looks stunning. Next, we have documentation like a quick start guide and important information and a warranty card which will give you information about the phone. Now, we have silicone back cover which will protect your phone from any damage. Here is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And 3.5mm jack earphones. Next is a 2-pin wall charger with 44 watt of fast charging facility. At last, we have a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack headphone adapter and SIM ejector tool. So guys, that's all you get inside the Vivo V23 Pro 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.